നീല നീല നീല
Oops, sorry. This umbrella. It is so windy here. Okay, let's try that again. Hello friends, welcome to SJP Travelogs. I'm Sian and today we are at Maharaja Mettu in Megamalai. Now this was completely unplanned. A random long weekend. We packed our bags, got into our VW Virtues and drove all the way here. If you are looking for a peaceful hill station that's less crowded than Ooty and much more raw and untouched, Megamalai might surprise you. Let me tell you everything you need to know before planning this trip. Megamalai is near Theni in Tamil Nadu. It's about 480 kilometers from Bangalore and around 200 kilometers from Cochin. If you're coming from Kerala, especially Thekkady, this place is just 85 kilometers away, so it makes a perfect add-on. But if you're coming from Bangalore, this is not a short weekend dash. This needs a proper long weekend plan. People call it a hidden gem, and honestly, that's because it still feels untouched. Mornings here, you wake up inside clouds, thick mist, gentle drizzle, and once it clears, you see rolling tea plantations, small hills and lakes shining quietly in the distance. It feels like someone built a cloud factory here. To experience Megamalai properly, you have to stay one night because the magic happens in the morning. If you just drive up here and leave, you'll miss half the beauty. Now here's the important part. Megamalai is remote, very remote. Stay options are quite limited. If you want comfort and budget is not an issue, the Briar Tea bungalows are the best option. They have Cloud Mountain Bungalow, Manalar Cottage and Sand River Bungalow. Book in advance. Don't come hoping for availability. If you want something more basic, the High Wavy Panchayat guest house is an option. It's simple, but the view in front of the lake is stunning. If you're coming completely unplanned, there are a few small homestays near the forest checkpost. Tamil Nadu Resort is like your backup option. Friendly hosts, basic facilities. Don't expect luxury here. Expect simplicity. Now listen carefully. This is inside a wildlife sanctuary. The entry and exit are strictly monitored. If you don't have stay proof, they won't allow you inside after 2:30 pm. Yes, 2:30 pm. So plan your timings properly. The token number they give you at entry must be marked again at the exit. This is part of the Megamalai Tiger Reserve. In the lower forest stretch, especially early morning or evening, elephants are often spotted, so drive carefully. This is not just a hill station. This is a wildlife territory. Maharaja Mettu viewpoint is one of the main attractions, but entry is allowed only before 3 pm. So again, timing matters. Now practical things. Public washrooms only at the HP petrol pump before the forest checkpost and then at the Panchayat guest house. a good 20 kilometers apart. That's it. So plan accordingly. Food options are very limited. Don't miss Pechiyamal Hotel if you're hungry. There aren't many alternatives. It was Republic Day, and seeing the tricolor flag flying proudly here in this remote hill village felt quietly powerful. Sometimes the most beautiful places are not the easiest ones, and Megamalai is exactly that: remote, simple, and unforgettable. Countless lakes, quiet roads, tea estates. This place is more about the journey than the destination. Like Kinnakore, this drive itself is the highlight. Now, despite all these limitations, is Megamalai worth it? If you love peaceful landscapes, misty mornings, and don't mind basic facilities, absolutely yes. But if you are looking for luxury resorts, nightlife, or quick access, this may not be for you. Thanks for traveling with us. If you're planning a weekend trip from Bangalore or Kerala and found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SJP Travelogues. We'll see you in the next journey.